Hello everyone, how you doing today? Hopefully everything is going well to you. And this again, Ronald Flores from Curse Finance, trying to do a short uh, of a daily dose of finance today. I just wanna basically share to you some of the things that Curse Finance Facebook channel did so that most of the biz owners, dentists, especially physician that we're focusing on right now this year, will understand and see the different things that they can do to make their finances in order. Hopefully, some of you are, oh, maybe 80% of you done with your taxes. And if not, hopefully you are uh, basically file extension with your accountants. It's very hard sometimes, I know, when you are so busy taking care of your clients, taking care of your patients, sometimes you forget to take care of yourself, right? But there's a time that you need to take care of your own finances. You still need to understand what's going on in your money, even though you are trying to basically hire somebody to do it, but still need to share your thoughts and opinion and making sure that what are they doing to your money is what you will envision it in the next couple of years or even 10 years or before you uh, before you you retire on your in your business. Let me see something here. Hopefully, everything onto you are this our YouTube channel. Hopefully, you already know that that's our YouTube channel, and we are basically sharing that to you as a complementary. Basically, knowledge is very important, right? So we need to make sure that you uh, understand that that's available for you. There's a lot of knowledge there that you can take care of your finances. And then one thing more, our website will show the website. This our website. There's a lot of detail there, full of knowledge that you can use to your advantage. Basically, for me, I would like to make sure that if I have a client, that the basic IRS benefits are already taken care of. Even though if you're employed position that have a lot of employed position that have some benefits from your employee, you can take care of that too. And like I said, we have a new new video series that we're trying to trying to share and do. Right now, we are in the second part of editing the second part of this series. But this, the first one, is already out there in the YouTube channel that physician can take advantage of that. Even people who are not physician, they can still take advantage of that knowledge because this is basically for your retirement. All right, the retirement is very important, especially for physician because a physician is always busy. Because for us here in Cares Finance, if it's your right, use it in Tagalog. Pagkarapatan mo, gamitin mo. Because you are paying taxes, you're if you're not trying to cheat the government, you're not trying to cheat anybody. You're just trying to explore different ways to take care of your business or taking care of your finances, if you are, like I said, employed, you need to make sure that you are not maybe double paying too much, you know, being you know like right now the IRS agency is totally being bombarded with a question, being bombarded, and then they're already short of stuff. So basically, before they can get in or get through your taxes and really double check if you're filing properly and they're not over overpaying the taxes because the it was wrong filing or something like that, it will take time. So make sure you are really uh, using different avenue to take care of your finances. So last about 2 weeks ago, I think I post this things that you can do to take care of your finances. So basically, the basic thing to do it by yourself, to be I call it tax hygiene. So basically, you for your information, like I said, you need to make sure you know where is your money at, making sure that um, your personal finances and your business finance are separately, not only in your eyes but in the eyes of the IRS, because as you know, IRS have 48,000 pages of benefits, addendum, deductive, different kinds of things that you can use. That most of the 1%, the billionaire using it now, but because they have their own team to take care of that. But it's not only for them. This for all people who pay taxes, especially the high net worth individual. Secondly, grow mode. Okay, working with an accountant. I still sorry about that. Still trying to get back my voice. I lost my voice when I went to travel. Anyways, so a good accountant. So what can you really know what's a good accountant? A good accountant is they're not really only there to register or to put the your past finance, basically just filling the blank on your form of your tax filing. They're there to find you ways to save taxes by really understanding, not become expert of everything, but I'm just saying to have a collaboration with other expert. They have a team of other expert that, like I said, the Cures Finance, that's what we do. We partnered with accountants, EAs, CPAs, even a bookkeeper right now. Even bookkeeper are being asked the things that usually been being asked to an accountant. But like I said, that's the thing that you need to make sure that you are taking advantage of that and deep understanding of deduction and avoid IRS red flags. I don't, like I said, I don't saying that your accountant need to know everything, but if they have partners like us here in Curious Finance, we partner with almost 100 plus accountants nationwide, and we do help them save their clients taxes and cost to operate. And then the third phase really is to high impact planning. Now, the 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 tax season is done. Some people like, oh, done, yay, I'm free. No, no, you should this the time now for you to take care or start thinking about next year or the next year, next couple of years. Like I said, whatever you do today, will impact your future tax filing. I always say that, whatever you do today will impact your future tax filing, right? Especially if you are paying now six-figure taxes, and then you feel that your company is really growing and earning, but when it comes to the end of the day, you don't see that growth or you don't see that profit because it goes to the taxes, it goes to employee benefits, it goes to different kinds of costs to operate your business. I guess we need to have an expert. That's why I'm going to the fourth phase, right? Elite level planning or virtual family office support. So basically, that's what we do. We not only um, taking care of our own clients who are physician, dentist, and construction company. That's our most of our client, but we're still open to help the business owner to take care of their finances. So basically, not only you know, basic, like mileage, do your mileage, or making sure that you have employee, you get employee benefits for their retirement, for their health care, that's the thing. There's a lot of ways about, how about if you are really a philanthropy and you're donating things to your community, there's a way that you can use that, uh, taking care of your lower, reducing your taxes without really expending too much on the cost of piece for for your taxes, or costs to operate. How about if you have own a commercial property or apartment building? There's a way to reduce that already the the value of your building, so that you can claim that as a your deduction, you know. So that's the thing that you can do too. And there's a way too that maybe you have in the construction company or a producing a product. There's a way to that if you are trying to better a process or better a products, even it's already exists. There's a way to that to claim that as a tax deduction. There's a lot of ways. Like I said, if you trying to really understand the taxes and you do it by yourself, or you have accountant but your accountant uh, doing their by themselves, only their self, it's gonna be hard. That's why you have to have a team of expert in the advanced tax medication. Basically, advanced tax planning that is more than your tax filing. You know, just putting numbers in your taxes. That's not it. It's really finding what's available for you in the IRS book. And risk mitigation. It's not only about insurance now. It's all about protecting. How about if you have your employee that you will need, or employee that are good? How can you protect them not to be recruited by other company? And then what are they doing, especially if they're virtual? Virtual. They're working virtually. You don't really see them, right? That's one of the risks, right? And then, like I said, the thing is the the government is doing right now. You have to make sure that you're compliant on all that state and federal regulation that they trying to do. And then you should not only invest inside your company. You can invest to outside the company so that there's an alternative investment. So you need a good investment advisory. That's what I do too. About how about now? It's very big now that company culture. Maybe you need a business advisory. How about law? If you have partners, or even though you don't have any partners, if something happened, do you have a buy-sell agreement already, or do you have different kinds of ways to really nobody if you capacitated, who's gonna be taking care of daily tasks in your company. So there's a lot of things that you need to do. So like I said, it's not only your business but your personal finance too, because even though in the IRS you need to divide that in two parts, but for us here in Curious Finance, everything intertwined, right? If you don't take care of your personal finance, it will have some effect in your company finance, and then if you don't take care of your company finance, it's effect on your in your personal finance. So I just wanna, like I said, I just wanna uh, make sure you understand and you know that there is a lot of ways to take care of your taxes and cost to operate. And like I said, in the YouTube channel of Curious Finance, our daily dose of finance, we have a lot of guidelines that you can take advantage of, and you can review or learn from yourself. Especially if you're a physician, your dentist, your construction company. I just want to make sure you know that that is already live on YouTube channel, and I'll see you then. Have a good day.